Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to be replacing the screen and the back camera on an iPhone 13 Pro. As you can see, there's a black bleeding spot in the OLED screen, and then also the reason why I'm replacing the camera is because it's just acting a little funky. As you can see, it doesn't have the three options. Actually, I just saw that right now. There's the camera has some black spots on there. I didn't even know that. But yeah, the whole camera is going to replace, when you replace a back camera, it's all one part. This is actually the back camera. But yeah, let's get started. The first thing that we're going to want to do is take off the bottom two screws. So here we're going to use a screwdriver that's made specifically for iPhones. And don't mind this, I actually had to fracture my finger a few weeks ago. And that's why I have this splint on there. So maybe by the next video, I won't have this thing on my finger anymore. All right, so here we go. We're gonna take off the other one. And since this OLED screen is damaged, I'm not gonna save the screen. I'm not gonna use one of my opening machines to take out the screen or anything. I'm just gonna go dig just straight in and take the screen out. So the way that I do that is by using a heat gun. You can use a blow dryer, you can use whatever you have handy. You might not even have to use a blow dryer or a heat gun, but I use it to, it just makes things easier. All right, let's just go ahead and power off the phone. And then we're gonna take our tool right here. If you guys wanna know where to get tools, just look at the link in the description. There's a link there, and you'll know where to get all these parts and for screens and these screwdrivers and things like that. So we'll take our tool like this, and then we'll wedge it in between the metal part of the back of the phone, the frame, and the screen. So we just dig it in there like this. The screen might break right now because I'm gonna take it out. It may or may not. Actually, it didn't. All right, we'll get something like a gift card or something like this, and we'll just kind of put this in here, and then we'll just go around. All right, just be more careful up here because there's some connections up here. So we can go ahead and look in. I'll blow some heat right here. All right, so as I open up the phone, you can see here the insides. So the first thing that we're gonna wanna do is we're gonna wanna take off the shields. We're gonna take this off, and we're gonna take off the one that's connecting this sensor into here. So we're gonna take off this shield and then this shield. So we're gonna use a different screwdriver. The ones that we took off, the two screws right here, it was this screwdriver, which is, it's a different tip point, and this one is a Y-tip screwdriver. So that's why we need 3 different screwdrivers when you're repairing iPhones. You could actually have another 4th one if you're doing motherboard, or if you're gonna take out the motherboard, there's a different cross screwdriver that you need to get. But we're not gonna be doing that today. So as you can see, the way that I'm laying them out, you see how they go 1, 2, 3, and I'm laying them just out like that. Screw 1, screw 2, screw 3. Then we'll lay the shield right next to it, right? And we'll do the same thing right here. I'm gonna take these out. We'll lay it down right here. This one out. lay it down right there. And this one is an actual different screw tip. So we're gonna use this one to take out the bottom two. And now it's gonna be the red one, a different tip screwdriver. That's what I'm saying. You need 3 types of screwdrivers to take out the different screw sizes on iPhones. All right, so we got them right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 2 top ones are bigger than the 2 little baby screws right here. And then we're gonna take this out. Don't rip the cable. Put it right there, right next to it. And then we're good to go. So we're gonna unplug the battery. Battery connections right here. We're gonna unplug it. This tool right here. You can get this in the part supplier I recommend. Just go in the link, remember. All right, then we unplug the screen. It's one connection, and then we'll unplug this thing right here. All right, so there's that. Why don't we do this? Because I need to replace the camera too as well, but we'll do a screen repair first, and then you'll see me do the take out the camera. So we'll do everything kind of at once, but let's start with the screen first. Because the majority of the people that are going to be watching this video are going to be interested in just the screen, because that's the most common repair when you work on phones. A screen by far is screens. All right, so we're going to take out the 3 screws. I already took one out, but as you can see, there's one where I just took that out. There's 2, there's 3, and it's the Y-tip screwdriver. There we go. There we go. There's this shield that comes out, and then all we have to do is take out this piece because we're going to transfer it. Let me show you the part. This is the screen right here. We're going to use. Here's the part right here. So you see right here, we're going to transfer this over to here, and then we're going to put the screws and the shield back on here. And that's going to be your screen repair. It's really simple, but we don't want to damage this. This is kind of glued onto the back. So the way that we take that takes this back, this sensor here, is I blow some heat from my heat gun on this side, and that warms it up and it makes the adhesive, it helps take it out. So you go like this, and I'll blow it on this side. See, I put my finger there to make sure that it's getting warm, and it's actually hot right now. So we'll use this tool, we'll get in there, and then we'll go back and forth. Remember, we don't want to rip anything. We go underneath the cable, and when it starts getting tough, like you'll notice that it doesn't glide as easy anymore. That's when you'll blow some more heat, and usually it's right in this area. So it's starting to get tough because it's cooling down. Right now I can touch my finger on it, it's already cooled down. So I'll just blow some more heat on this side. And then this thing should be able to come out. So go here, go right there, we'll go in again, we'll go right there, we'll get the last of it, we'll go like this. There we go. You see all that adhesive there? See? All right, we'll get the tool, continue to go underneath. And then we're gonna use this other tool to get this out. So let me blow a little bit of heat right here on this side again, and then we'll get the remainder of this thing out. All right, so then what I'll do is, let's see. I think I get this with this tool. That's a microphone up there. So remember, get under it like this. It's almost out. Then what I'll do is I'll just finish it with this. I'll just get something like this and then just kind of pluck it out. It actually already came out. Did it or no? Let me see. Let me blow a little bit more heat. All right, this should work right here. It should take it out. We'll go maybe on the side right here. There we go. There it is, there it is. And then we'll just take this out right here. There we go. See, here's the old screen. Here's that part that we needed to take off, as you can see right there. It's called a proximity sensor. All right, so what we're gonna wanna do now is we're gonna wanna transfer it on here. And we'll start off with on the side. So you can see the little rectangle piece right here goes right in there. And then after you put that in first, everything will kind of already sit in place. There it is. I kind of felt it click. You guys heard that? And there's a little microphone and the little microphone hole that you can see here. You see like a little microphone hole right there. See? There it is. Align everything in there. Otherwise your microphone, you won't be able to hear it. And kind of double check this too as well. You don't, sometimes, I think you can see it right here. Sometimes when you're taking this off, let's try to get this in focus. Let me try this. You can see that the adhesive tape right here kind of folds over when you're taking this thing off. So just make sure that the hole is not covered. Just kind of peel it back a little bit so the sound will get through, right, with the mic. You see there's the microphone little hole. All right, the adhesive is out of the way of that little hole thing right there. All right, that's good to go. Now we'll put this back onto the screen. Put that in there. Put that in there. This will kind of align right there, as you can see the little grooves right there. See? Just kind of lay it in there. Like that. There it is. There it is. And there that is. I can feel like everything is in place. We'll get the shield. Put it right here. We'll hold it with our finger. And then we'll put in our first screw right there. Y-tip screwdriver. We'll put the screws back in. All right, so everything's in. That's pretty much the screen repair. I mean, if that's all you were doing, I'm gonna replace the camera right now if you guys want to continue to still and watch. If you wanted to, if that's the only repair you needed to do, you just plug these back into the phone, put the two shields back with the screws, and then you're pretty much good to go. But I'm gonna replace the camera, so I'm not done yet. So here we go. The way that you take this out is you remove the shield, the way to replace the camera. So I can see that this requires the Y-tip screwdriver, so we're gonna take out these screws right here. And there it is. And then here's the camera. We'll unplug the camera, as you can see, is right there. There's that one. I think there's one more plug in there too. I think it's underneath. Actually, hold on. We'll take this tool right here. We'll just go on the side. Actually, there's only two connections. So here's the old camera. right? As you can see, let me see. Here's gonna be the new camera. Alright, so here's the newer camera. So this camera is a pulled from phone, so it's an OEM part. So as you guys see, that it looked like there was dust in the actual camera from the old one when I showed you guys earlier in the video. It looks like this camera was replaced already before, but here's the old one. I'm actually gonna get a Q-tip right here. Make sure this thing is clean in there. So I just want to go on that side. I want to make sure I don't see any dust particles or anything in there. It looks pretty clean. It looks, I'm satisfied. I don't see any dust particles in there. So we'll grab our new camera. So I know it's this one because we got to take this off. Look, there's a little protective lens on here. We got to take this off, see? That also keeps the dust from getting in there, and then we'll go like this. There we go. Okay. So then we'll plug these connections in. There it goes. I heard it click. I felt that and heard it click. Alright, these are good to go. Alright, so then we'll put the shield back on with the screws. There we go. So we gotta remember there's a little metal tab right there. It goes underneath the frame. Goes in like that, right? It gets tucked under. Otherwise this thing will be overlapping the frame. It got to go, see, keep your eye on this. Got to go underneath it like that. All right, so we installed the back camera. We also fixed the screen. So we're gonna take this wrapper right here. We're gonna take this off. There we go. And then we're gonna plug this in and put the screws back in. We'll plug the battery in last. All right, we'll just go ahead and plug the battery in right now. All right, so battery's plugged in. Then we'll get the shield. We'll start off with this one. All right, let's go ahead and turn the phone on. We'll let it start up. We still have to actually put in the actual screen. So you see these metal tabs right here? We're gonna go in, top goes in first, and we're gonna go side by side, all the way down. There you go. And then we're gonna put the two screws on the bottom of the phone. All right, if any of you guys would like to know more about the cell phone repair business or even selling cell phones on the side, like maybe like on OfferUp and Facebook Marketplace, I do have a cell phone repair course, link in the description. Check that out. It's very, very affordable. It's free to get into school right now. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.